Okay. Since hindi ako makapag-live ng maayos dahil nga nagkakaroon ng connection error dahil nagbibiyahe kami, parang may mga dead spot, hindi ko lang alam bakit. So gaya ng nasabi ko kanina, it's around 2:41 AM na here in Mount Vernon, Ohio. So start na kami magbiyahe ni Wendell going to Madison, Wisconsin. Dadaan kami sa Indiana, Illinois. So dadaanan namin yung mga states na yon. So we will be meeting my mother-in-law, si Mama Carol, doon, and also my brother-in-law Carl and his wife Barb. Tapos magkikita kami ng aming anak na si Andrew, na mamaya pa yata siya magbabas papunta doon. So it will be like a family gathering because the wedding will be on Friday, right? Friday, yeah. The wedding of Katrina and Matt. So we will also be seeing Tim and Renee. Pero magre-rest muna kami bago kami manggulo sa kanila before we ruin their life. Before we disrupt or disturb them. Pero busy sila, palagay ko, sa mga oras na ito dahil sa mga last minute preparations, of course, kasi that's their youngest daughter, right?
Yes.
Yeah, it's their youngest daughter who's getting married. So ayan, nakikita nyo, madilim pa po. So yung aking driver hindi ko maipapakita kasi ayan, nakaitim I cannot see you because ayan, ang pogi ng driver ko. So maybe later magla-live ako pag okay na yung yung connection. We'll have a live, no, para sa ganun makita nyo yung mga lugar na dadaanan namin. Okay, bye for now.